Hey there, Airstreamers. If it seems like it's kind of herky-jerky right now on the local Airstreamer, it's because it is. I got pieces and parts to put together before we start down this propane road. There's only a few things that actually run on propane in a trailer, especially a vintage Airstream like I have right here, the 1970 Safari. You know, we've got hot water, we've got the refrigerator, and we got a stove. We got all these things. Refrigerator works. Haven't run it on propane yet, but now I ran into a problem with my original hot water heater. This is a Tankless. The original was given to me, and it didn't have. Let me show it to you. It's a great one. It's very, very expensive, but it was missing parts. I've come to find out as I'm getting ready to install it, it's missing parts. So this guy right here is heavy. And it's my original given to me. But the part it was missing, people, is a critical part, not your monitor controller. It's missing the front door. Without that door, I had to spend as much as it would to go to an auction site like I did and pick up a whole new reigning 4200 BTU propane, 12 volt, right here. Let's see. I got it at an auction site. It's been bought. It says Amazon on it. So let's see if it actually has. Let me get this guy out of the way. Let's see if this thing actually has. So it's the reigning RV Tankless Water LP. And I've seen that it has a couple different size doors that you can buy. Aftermarket, not aftermarket, actually the company sells different size doors. When you're retrofitting an Airstream, you're gonna have to make some changes, you know. One of them here was the door to the actual hot water heater. But let's see what we got. Maybe we got lucky and all the parts are in here. I'm not optimistic. I'm already in pain because I wanted to keep that one. That one's obviously a bigger, better unit, but here's the screws on top. Here is front door. Nice. Sold. Perfect, man. Let's take a look at this thing. So, you know, it's a little bigger. Looks a little bit bigger. And it's got instead of having a LCD, it's got a good LED monitor on it. It's not wireless, I don't think. But anyway, we're in business. We got hot water on demand. I think it's rated at something like 12 gallons to 20 gallons an hour or something like that. Man, I don't use a lot of hot water. I'm a cold water guy most of the time, or at least cool water. This is Texas, you know. Yeah, there's a controller. Man, look at this. We are so lucky. Today is our lucky day. So I paid $100 for this. Brand new. Still got the tags. Still got everything. Very, very happy. And the door is a really cool door. Let me show you this on the rain in. It's a double door. It's gonna need some kind of little frame around it, probably. And it might need a bigger door. This door is right at the edge of the right size for the hole that's already in the side of the Airstream. But it's got a double door here. No, I guess that is the frame. I don't know, we'll see. I might have to go bigger. Metal door, it's black. I don't care if it's black. This is just a hot water heater, people. So there you go, there it is. We are on our way. The other one is for sale. Only thing it doesn't have is a door, and it's never been used. So if you guys are interested, let me know. I'm gonna put it on Craigslist right away. Try to get rid of it to balance out what this one costs. Cheap. There you go, guys. Brand new Tankless hot water heater going in, vintage Airstream.